In this guide, we are going over how you can play Rivals. This is going to be the full tips and trick video so that you can go from noob to pro here in Rivals on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to understand the menus. If you open up your backpack, you can go ahead and equip wraps and, of course, do these as well. When you use these are essentially like gambling or whatnot because you might get something good, you might not. You can open up your weapons, change these skins, equip those wraps, charms, finishers as well. But the main thing in the menu right here that you're going to want to prioritize first is going to be your tasks. These tasks are going to give you keys, and then, of course, you use those keys to, unlock better weapons. But complete your daily missions to earn rewards and progress faster. And then save those keys to use in the shop itself to actually unlock better cases, or you can actually directly unlock guns with them in this weapons menu as well. If you scroll through here, see one that you like, you can actually unlock it with those keys. Now, always try out the weapon beforehand as well. For gameplay itself, you're going to want to start with modes to just level up. Now, those modes are actually super easy to play, and they're going to be stuff like free-for-all or duels to practice. If you're going to do a duel, when you hit play, just go ahead and do like the beginner 2v2, but you can scroll down and do these other game modes as well, just to get some easy practice. While you're playing, you need to use Q for your abilities and switch weapons when needed, and adjust your sensitivity so aiming feels smooth. Just focus on both movement and aim, and don't rush fights. If you practice consistently, and of course increase your aim in the shooting range, you'll go from beginner to pro extremely quickly. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.